Hey everybody, it's Bobby here, and I've got another great recipe for you today. You know, chicken's pretty universal, and we all like it. So we usually tend to do chicken breasts, or we'll do chicken thighs, or drumsticks, or we'll do wings. But not always do you feel like or have the confidence to do a whole chicken. So today I'm going to show you how to bake a whole chicken. And this is wonderful, and it's a great meal for the whole family. This is a baked, sticky honey chicken. This is a Deen Brothers recipe from Recipes from the Road cookbook. So this is a go back in the Wayback Machine recipe. So I've got my bird here. It's a 3-pound bird, 3 to 4 pounds. And I said baked sticky honey chicken. So in order to get the sticky, I'm going to use honey. Go ahead and combine these things before I put my hands on the bird. So we will combine honey, lemon juice, and lemon juice is good in and on so many things. That acidity is wonderful. Butter, some melted butter, and some mustard. And we'll combine all these ingredients and whisk, whisk, whisk. And then we'll go tend to our bird. Whisk, 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 whisk. I can't believe how fast time goes. Can you guys believe it?
Yep, we're already into January.
2024. Golly Moses, where did it go? All right, so 3 to 4 pound bird, and I'm going to sprinkle it with salt and pepper on both sides. Ooh, that's a pretty bird. I do, we use our air fryer a lot at my house, and the oven, both. But I like to do roasted root vegetables also. And if you wanted to make this like a complete meal, you could do roasted roots, maybe on a roasting pan on the side. Okay. Rub that in a little bit. And we'll hit both sides with salt and pepper. And then into, look what I just found. Glad I found that. We'll go inside too a little bit. Make sure we just get a little salt and pepper all over. And rub that bird. Okay, now into our honey and butter and mustard mixture with the lemon juice. And we'll make sure that we get it fully coated. And you can see that, you can see for sure the pepper kind of stayed in place. But when we put this on our baking dish, we will give it a little bit more salt and pepper. And we'll make sure that we get the whole bird covered in our liquid mixture. Beautiful. Okay. Transfer the whole bowl over here. Now we're going to put our bird top side up on our baking pan. Now, if you want to, you can, and I may end up doing this, you can tie the legs together. Looks nice, looks kind of fancy. I don't have mine tied together. I wasn't planning on doing it, but if I've got some twine, I might do that. A little more. I'm going to go ahead and lose the gloves. A little more salt and pepper. That's a beautiful bird. And 3 to 4 pounds is a wonderful size. So if you've got a family of 4 or 5, this is a great size bird for you. Salt, a little pepper. Got some.
I'm cleaning up.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I think I will tie those legs up. Teresa, do you have some twine over there, please?
And it keeps things organized, so I know where things are.
Beautiful. And some shears. Where?
There's some in that drawer right there.
Oh, right in front of me. Got it. Okay. Just cooking twine. Not hard to find. Let's see. I've got my oven preheated at 350, and this is going to cook for about 40 minutes. But with chicken, we go until you get an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Got my digital thermometer right there. So let's go ahead and pop it in the oven. This is a look at what it looks like with the legs tied up. It's all seasoned up and ready to roll.
He says no.
I say yes. Look at that beautiful bird. Okay, this is a 3-pound bird, and that was about 40 minutes in the oven. Little tip for you, I tinted this bird with tin foil because we're cooking with a super hot oven here, a convection oven, and it's like pro kitchen oven. You can see that the tips of the wings got a little bit burnt. Not burnt. They're dark.
That's burnt.
You think?
Yeah.
Get out of here, man. Yeah. This family, that'll be the first part that gets eaten. You watch. He says it's burnt. He's about to have his lips all over it. So I'm going to take a piece right off of that breast.
I didn't say I wouldn't eat it. I said it's burnt.
Oh, look at the juice. Ooh. I checked the temperature with a digitherm, 165 degrees. You see the juices are running clear. It is perfect, perfect, perfect. Michael, back up. You said it was burnt. You don't get any. You'll be last. Oh, let's give it a taste.
Delicioso.
Burnt is not the word I would use to describe that bird. That is absolutely wonderful. Beautiful bird. Simple recipe. So I'm glad you joined me today, and I hope to see you again next time. Bon appetit.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.